Good morning, guys. So, this is our meeting number 2 for week number 3. The topic is elimination of arbitrary constants. So, there are several ways of arriving at the solution of DE. One way is by method called the elimination of arbitrary constant. So, here, since this is our first or second lecture day, second lecture week, the arbitrary constant is being eliminated, or the constant is being eliminated. So this means we start with the given function and find the corresponding DE. So baliktad. So ang gagawin natin, ang given ay yung function, hahanapin natin yung DE. The function serves as the solution for the DE. So yung function, solution yun ng DE. So the solution is given first, and we need to find the problem being the DE. As a rule for finding the DE, we simply differentiate the given function or relation as many times depending on the number of constant presenting in the function. So, ang gagawin natin dito, i-derivative natin. Ano? Kaya nga ang DE ay mayroong differentiation. So, pag na-derivative natin, depende dun sa number of constant present. So, for working example, we have here y squared is equal to 4ax. So, differentiate once kasi ang constant dito ay a. So, we have 2y dy is equal to 4a dx. So, yan guys ay alam nyo na yan. Ano? So, we have solve for a as a constant. So, equals 2y dy over a dx. So, again, a is equal to, yung nasa kasama ng a ay sa ilalim. So, 4dx na lang. So, 2y dy. Or, a is equal to y dy all over 2dx. Divide both by 2. Now, substitute natin sa original problem. So, we have y squared is equal to 4, what is a? Y dy over 2 dx times x. 2 y dy over dx. Y square equals, so 2, then y dy over dx. Or dx y square is equal to 2y dy. Or 2y dy minus y square dx is equal to 0. So, ito ang final answer. Ito yung dapat na given problem, yung naka-dy at saka dx, and then ito yung answer. So, dito sa elimination of arbitrary constant, given yung answer, hahanapin natin ang DE. So, that is example 1. So, we have here now y square is equal to 2xy dy over dx. Paano nangyari yon? So, cancel yung 4 over 2, that is 2. And then xy dy. And then over dx. Now, cross multiply. Y square dx is equal to 2xy dy. Now, divide this by y, since common yon. So, we have y dx is equal to 2x dy. Or 2x dy minus y dx is equal to 0. So, this is our final answer. So, in elimination of arbitrary constant, again, ang given ay yung solution. Ang hahanapin natin ay yung DE. So, ano unang step? I-derivative natin. Depende kung ilan ang given na constant. So, since isa lang constant dyan, isang beses natin derivative, and then substitute mo sa original equation, and then find the corresponding DE. That is example number 1. Next, example number 2. X cubed minus 3x square y is equal to z. So, here, ang constant ay yung c. So, ilan ang given na constant? Isa lang. No? So, i-differentiate natin ito na isang beses. So, this is 3x square dx. Walang problema doon. Ano? Minus. Eto na. So, this is derivative of product. This is u and this is b. So, recall natin that derivative of product is u dv minus u dv minus v du. Ano yung u natin dyan? 3x square. Ano yung du? 6x dx. Ano yung ating v? Yung pangalawang term. Y. Ano ang dv? dy. Okay? So, minus. Sa baba ko lang ha. 3x square dx minus. So, for u dv minus v du. 3x square dy minus v y. And then, du times 6x dx. So, ulitin natin. So, this is derivative of product. So, we have here u dv minus v du. Okay. And then, is equal to 0. Why? Because derivative of constant is 0. So, we have 3x squared dx minus 3x squared dy minus 6xy dx plus, okay, is equal to 0. Parang nagkaganon. Dinistribute natin yung negative. Ngayon, ito, pag magsusulat kayo guys, una yung constant and then kung ano yung first letter. Siyempre, una yung x bago yung y. Now, i-divide natin sa common. No? Ano ang common dyan? We have x. Okay? Yun lang ba? And then 3. So, we have 3x. So, we have x dx minus x dy plus 2y dx. Now, pagsamahin natin lahat ng may dx. So, x dx plus 2y dx minus x dy is equal to 0. So, now, i-factor out natin ng dx. Ano matitira sa first term? We have x plus 2y minus x dy is equal to 0. So, kumbaga, pag ito ang binaksan mo guys, may points ka na. Kung 10 points yan, mga 5 points. Pero, as much as possible, pwede pa i-simplify yan. So, ang final answer natin is x plus 2y and then multiply by dx minus x dy is equal to 0. Hanggat maaari, lagi equate sa 0. No? So, pwede rin ang magiging sagot mo dyan ay ganito, no? X dy minus and then x plus 2y dx is equal to 0. So, isa lang yan guys, ano? Pag ito kasi multiply mo ng negative, ganun din ang sagot doon or nilipat mo lahat sa kanan. So, ibabox mo yung final answer mo. Pag walang box, ibig sabihin nun ay mali. Ano? Wala kang sagot. Pag maraming box, ibig sabihin maraming sagot. Unlike kung ganito, no? Ibig sabihin yan, iisa lang yung sagot niyan. So, gandahan nyo yung sulat nyo, ha? Pag pangit ang sulat nyo, mali pa rin yun. Kasi pag pangit ang sulat, ibig sabihin may nadali. Okay? So, example 3. Guys, correction lang. Yung palang formula natin sa derivative of product, ito ay plus. So, kung plus yan, plus ito, tapos ito ay minus. Then, ito ay minus. So, x dx minus. Tapos, dx minus. So, x minus. Okay? And then, or ito. Yan. Okay? Next example. Number 3, x squared y is equal to 1 plus cx. So, again, this is derivative of product. So, this is u and this is b. So, u dv plus v du. So, isa lang ang constant. So, we have 2x dy plus and then y times 2x dx. So, ulitin natin. Ano yung u? X square. U dv plus v du. u dv plus v then du. Okay, ulitin. U dv plus v du is equal to 0, derivative of constant, plus x. So, derivative of product uli yan. So, ito yung u and this is v. So, u dv plus and then v du. What is derivative of constant? That is 0. So, this is now magiging x square dy plus 2xy dx is equal to c dx. So, c is equal to x square dy plus 2xy dx all over dx. Now, substitute to original. So, from here, x square y is equal to 1 plus, so what is c? X square dy plus 2xy dx over dx. And then times x. So next, x square y minus 1 is equal to x cubed dy plus 2x square y dx over, okay, square. Ulitin. So, yung 1 dito, dinala sa kabila, x square minus 1 is equal to, multiply yung x sa numerator, x cubed dy, yun na, plus 2x square y dx over dx. Or we have here x square y minus 1 dx is equal to x cubed dy plus 2x square y dx. So, next, ano ang common dyan? So, meron ba tayong pwedeng i-factor out or i-divide? So, let's see. So, i-distribute natin ito. No? Multiply. X square y dx minus dx is equal to x cubed dy plus 2x square y dx. Tapos, lahat ng dx pagsamasamahin natin. X square y dx minus dx minus 2x square y dx is minus x cube dy is equal to 0. Paano nangyari yun? Ito yan. And then ito. And then ito tinranspose. Then ito tinranspose din. So, sa dx, ano ang pwedeng factor out? So, pag pinactor out natin ng dx, ito ba pwede pagsamahin ito? Pwede, di ba? So, ilan yan? So, minus na lang yan. X square y dx. Isa na lang. Kasi ito ay 1, ito ay negative 2, kaya negative 1. Minus dx minus x cubed dy is equal to 0. Or since negative yan, dali natin lahat sa kanan. Siyempre, mas maganda yung positive kaysa negative. X squared y dx minus plus dx minus plus x cubed dy is equal to 0. Or multiply natin lahat by negative 1. So ngayon, ipapactor out natin ng dx. So we have x squared y plus 1 plus x cubed dy is equal to 0. So, ito yung ating final answer. Example number 4. Y is equal to 4 plus k e raised to 2x. Where k is constant here, ano? So, isa lang. So, i-differentiate natin. So, we have dy is equal to 4 plus 0 yan, 0. Okay? So, plus. Ano derivative nito? So, we have 2. Okay? Yung derivative nun. This is by product again. So, u and then v. U. Okay? And then 2 raised to 2x u dv plus and then v raised to 2x and then derivative of constant, that is 0. Or we have here dy is equal to 2k e raised to 2x. So that is our derivative. So let's call this equation 2. So wait guys. Here we forget to write dx. Now dy over dx is equal to 2k e raised to 2x. What is dy over dx? That is y prime. So 2k e raised to 2x. So let's call this 2 prime. Pag sinabing 2 prime galing sa 2 yun, medyo minodified. Now, if we call this given as equation y, 1, yung given, y is equal to 4 plus k e raised to 2x. So, since elimination of constant, so, I will multiply this equation 2 or 1 by negative 2. Why? Kasi positive 2 eh. So, isipin mo, yun ang malupit doon, mag-iisip ka, kung ano yung multiply mo para ma-eliminate yung constant. So, here, we have negative 2y is equal to negative 8 minus 2k e raised to 2x. So, tawagin natin ito equation 3. And this is our equation 2 prime. So, our 2 prime is y prime is equal to 2k e raised to 2x. So, now, pag inad natin yan, cancel ito. So, ano matitira ngayon? Yung y prime minus 2y is equal to negative 8. Or y prime minus 2y plus 8 is equal to 0. So, ito ang ating final answer. Example number 5, y is equal to c1 plus c2 e raised to 3x. So, here guys, dalawa ang constant natin. So, dalawang beses natin itong i-derivative. So, we have y prime. Okay, alam mo na yon kasi dy over dx. Y prime yun kasi ito yung magiging dx. Parang kanina sa example number 4 is equal to 0 plus, okay, derivative of product. So, we have c2 times 3 e raised to 3x. So, u dv plus v du. So, ito, yung derivative nun ay 0. So, yan na lang yun. Okay? Parang example kanina. So, y prime is equal to 3 c2 e raised to 3x. So, equation 1 as given, equation 2 as first derivative. Now, for second derivative, so, y double prime is equal to, so, we have 9 c2 e raised to 3x. Ang galing yon. So, yung constant niyan ay 3. So, ganun din, yung c2 times derivative nito, so, magiging 3 yan, times 3, kaya naging 9. And then, yung ito, multiply by derivative of constant is 0. So, this is our equation 3. Now, ano ang i-multiply para ma-eliminate ang constant na C2? So, multiply this by negative 3. So, tawagin natin yung 2 prime. So, ang 2 prime, after i-multiply sa negative 3, ay negative 3y prime is equal to negative 9 C2 e raised to 3x. So, ngayon, i-add natin itong dalawa na to para ma-eliminate ang constant. So, we have y double prime minus 3y prime. And then, that is equal to 0. Kasi cancel na yan, no? So, this is our final answer. And then, yan ang ibabox mo. So, for number 5, y double prime minus 3y prime is equal to 0. Or the second derivative minus 3 first derivative is equal to 0. For our last example, number 6, y is equal to c1 e raised to 2x plus c2 e raised to 3x. So, we have two constant. So, dalawang beses natin i-derivative. For first derivative, y prime equals, we have 2c1 e raised to 2x. Alam na, plus 3 c2 e raised to 3x. So, equation 1 and equation 2. Now, for second derivative, y double prime equals, so, 4 c1 e raised to 2x plus 9 c2 e raised to 3x. Equation 3. So, now, equate 1 and 2, eliminate c1. So, kung isusulat natin, y is equal to c1 e raised to 2x plus c2 e raised to 3x. And then, ang equation 2 ay y prime equals 2c1 e raised to 2x plus 3c2 e raised to 3x. So, i-multiply natin ito by negative 2 kasi ang i-eliminate natin c1. So, we have for equation 1, equation 2, and then 1 prime. Negative 2y is equal to negative 2c1 e raised to 2x minus 2c2 e raised to 3x. Now, i-add natin itong dalawa na to. So, cancel ito. So, we have y prime minus 2y is equal to how many c2? Isa na lang. E raised to 3x. So, wait lang guys. Tumatawag yung aso. We're back. Pasensya na guys. Ganun talaga pag online. Hindi natin kontrolado yung mga bagay sa paligid. So, ano na to? Inad natin. Y prime minus 2y equals cancel. So, dito, plus 3 minus 2 is positive 1. Okay, let's call this equation 4. Now, equate 2 and 3, ganun din, eliminate C1. Kung ano yung eliminate mo kanina, yun din ang i-eliminate mo ngayon. So, rewrite. Y prime equals 2C1 e raised to 2x plus 3 C2 e raised to 3x for equation 2. And then for equation 3, rewrite. Y double prime equals 4C1 e raised to 2x plus 9 C2 e raised to 3x. So, multiply natin ito by negative 2 para may eliminate ang C1. Dapat mag-equal ang kanyang numerical coefficient. Isang negative at isang positive para pag pinag-add mo, eliminate na yon. So, we have, tawagin nating equation 2 prime. We have negative 2y prime equals negative 4c1 e raised to 2x minus 6c2 e raised to 3x. So, ngayon, i-add natin itong dalawa na to. Eliminated na ang c1, y double prime minus 2y prime. And then, plus 9 minus 6 is plus 3, c2 e raised to 3x. Equation 5. So, now, equate 5. Tatabi ko na lang dito, no? Okay, equate 4 and 5. So, here, y double prime minus 2y prime is equal to, equal ito, no? Okay, equal yan. Tama, equal nga. So, 3 C2 e raised to 3x. I will multiply this by negative 3. Okay? So, I have here 4 what? Prime. So, negative 3y prime minus 6y. Okay? Tama ba kanina? Baka nagkamali tayo. Multiply lahat. Okay? Okay. So, negative 3y prime minus plus 6y is equal to negative 3c2 e raised to 3x. And then, itong dalawa na to ay i-add ko. Okay, finally, ang magiging resulta niyan. Y double prime. Ito, minus 5y prime. Take note, this is y prime ha, pwede pagsama doon. Plus 6y is equal to 0. Cancel na ito. So, this is our final answer. So, yan ang elimination of arbitrary constant.